Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Hacking with Ken. So today we're going to study about a concept which is known as pyramid of pain. So basically it's used in threat intelligence and incident response. So basically for we have room to cover that for us. So I'm not going to explain through some presentation and stuff. We're just going to use Try Hack Me, and thank you Try Hack Me for this amazing room, for this amazing concept in a room basically. So let's just get started, but first we're going to leave a thumbs up. So this is the pyramid of pain basically. And first we have hash value, which is like the training module. Then we have IP address, which is easy. Then we have domain name, which is simple. Then we have network host artifact, which is really annoying. Then we have tools, which is challenging. Then we have TTPs, which is tough. This well-renowned concept is being applied to cybersecurity solutions like Cisco Security, Sentinel-1, and SOC Radar to improve the effectiveness of CTI, which is Cyber Threat Intelligence Model, and threat hunting and incident response exercises. Understanding the pyramid of pain concept as a threat hunter, incident responder, as a SOC analyst is really important. So, if you are doing security operations center path on Try Hack Me, you should complete this room, and it's really amazing room. So let's just complete it. Okay, then first of all we have hash values, and if you don't know what's a hashing algorithm, um, basically hash is a result of hashing algorithm basically, which cannot be reversed. I'll put my old video description link in the description where you can study. First we have MD5, which was defined by RFC. You can study that later. It's about MD5 and SHA-1 and SHA-2 basically. So I'm just gonna leave that in the description so you can study. A hash is not considered to be cryptographically secure if two files have the same hash value or digest basically. It's basically we also use hash in the CIA trade for integrity basically. When we need to know that file came from the right source, we use hash to verify that. So and security professionals usually use the hash values to gain insight into a specific malware, example, or malicious suspicious file. Basically, it's we use hash to identify different malwares and ransomware and stuff. You probably read the ransomware reports in past where security researchers would provide the hashes related to malicious or suspicious file used at the end of report. You can check out the DFIR report and FireEye threat research blog if you're interested. So I'm not going to check on it because we need to do some stuff here. First of all, I'm going to open virus total and then the OpSWAT. There we go. We can just put the hash there and find out if that hash is used in some how can I say this, malware and stuff. It's if it's malicious or not. So basically we just have to copy that and everything will get done. So the first question is, we have this hash and we need to locate the ransomware name for this hash basically. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go on virus total and I'm gonna enter the hash here, and it's gonna give me the hash. All right, we have it. So now where is the room, we not room, sorry, where is the name of that ransomware? So we don't know yet, but let's go into the detail, and maybe we in the detail we find something. So basically in detail we are not finding anything. Okay, target machine, we have but not the exact name basically. We didn't find the exact name. So then we go to the community. Let's check what we have in the community. Okay, this file was found in malware. Okay, Conti ransomware. This is Conti ransomware. Let's try Conti. If it succeeded, okay. Let's go to OpSWAT. Let's do with OpSWAT. Okay. Okay, OpSWAT is running, it's scanning, and the file is not sanitizable, and we have a conti1.exe. So basically this was fast, and you can use any. Basically the main point was to how to search with hashes. If you find hash for a file, you can just search it. If you download from any unreliable resource, just extract the hash and then go to the virus total or meta defender OpSWAT. So you can check it out if that file is malicious or not. So then we have IP address. You may have learned the importance of IP address from what is networking room. Basically, this is a networking room for TryHackMe. On TryHackMe, the importance of IP address and IP address is used to identify any device on a network, basically, and we rely on IP address to send and receive the information over the network, but we are not going to get into structure and functionality of IP address. As a part of pyramid of pain, we'll evaluate how IP address are used as an indicator. So basically, the main point here is we can use the IP to track whether that IP is malicious or not, whether that IP is fake or real or anything like that. In the pyramid of pain, IP address are indicated as color green. You might be asking why and what you can associate with green color with. So basically, from defense standpoint, knowledge of the IP addresses our adversary uses and as can be valuable. A common defense tactic is to block, drop, or deny a request from an IP address. So basically, when I think we did the extending your network room. Basically, I think we did that. If we didn't, then we have to do that again. But we configured firewall so it to block all the packets out there. So I think we did that. So go and watch that previous video. We configured the rules in firewall. Basically it was an ECTF. So basically we malicious IP connection app.any.run, we have to visit that. Do not attempt to interact with the IP address. Okay, so here it is, here is a link. Let's interact with it. Okay, so then we have some question any.run. okay, some malicious file bin. We have what is the ASN. So if you don't know the ASN is basically let me check it and tell you what is ASN. Let me just close these tabs for a sec. Also let me close the Discord. Okay, now let's go to the connections, and then we have the ASN, which is a unified layer. Well, I'm just gonna put the third IP address basically. So for third IP address 123, it is host Europe GMPGS. So basically there is ASN, and there we go. What is domain name associated with the first IP address observed? So we have this domain which is the domain of first IP address. There we go, and there we have it. Then we have the domain names. Basically, now what is about domain name? Let's step up the pyramid of pain and move on to domain name. You can see the transition of color from green to teal. Domain names can be thought as simply mapping an IP address to the string of text. So basically, an IP address is hard to remember. Basically, we can't remember IP address of every website, but we can remember their names. It's easy because it's the language we speak, but we don't speak numbers. We only speak English and other languages. So a domain name can contain a domain and a top level domain. Basically they're talking about the subdomain and the main domain, the tree domain. But we'll go into the will not go. Basically, if you want to, you can search about DNS in detail room. Domain names can be little more of pain for attackers to change, as they would most likely need to purchase the domain, register it, and modify records. Unfortunately for defenders, many DNS providers have loose standards and provide API to make it easier for the attacker to change a domain. So basically, it's not easy. It's not very difficult to buy a fake domain. Basically, so here is an example, which is adidas.de, and here is adidas.de. So for normal person, it's the same stuff, but it's not the same stuff. It's never the same stuff, and the technique is used in its puny-code. So basically from puny-code they can do this, and suspicious link or malicious link can be following URL shortening services like bit.ly, google.gl, and everything, tinyurl.com at the end of URL, and basically it's stuff like that. Go to this report and provide the first malicious URL you're seeing. You will be seeing this report to answer the remaining question of this task. Okay, let's have it. What type of attack uses Unicode characters in a domain to intimidate to non-domain? Okay, that is difficult, to be honest. Punycode, I think Punycode, but it is not. It is a domain controller or something. Okay, let's just check it. Okay, let's go to the report. I think there it is, text report. And let's go to the report. So the first question is and provide a malicious url request. Okay, malicious url request. The malicious url request, let's say some malicious file. Okay, it's not here, it's gonna be in there. Malicious file request basically, and url for malicious file request. Okay, I think I got the hang of it. Maybe it's that, maybe it's not. I'm just giving it a try. Maybe it's that. Go and provide the malicious URL. Maybe. Okay, not. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, we have to explore it a little. Maybe explore it. URL. We have to find the URL. Okay, there it is, behavior graph and everything. This app.any.run is really amazing, basically. So I think it's, let's give it a try. Let's give this a try. Maybe this will work. Okay, that worked. What term refers to an IP address used to access the website? Domain. What term refers to an address used to access website? Uh, Domain names. Okay. What type of attack uses Unicode characters in the domain name to intimidate non-domain? Basically, puny code attack. I think puny code attack. Okay. Provide the redirected website for the URL as a preview. So basically, we have to give the original URL here, and we going to visit that. I hope it's not some ransomware website, because I'm done with ransomwares in a lot of cases. So basically, it's try hack me slash dashboard again, and basically I'm just going to put that. And wait, it's not dashboard. Wait, I did I put the right, did I put it right? Okay, provide the redirected website for the given domain. Okay, let's go again. Tryhackme.com, maybe tryhackme.com slash dashboard. Okay, yeah, it was https colon slash slash tryhackme.com. We don't have to go to the dashboard. Okay, now we have host artifacts. Basically, now this is going to be annoying. Let's take up to yellow zone. On this level, the attacker will feel more annoyed. Basically, it's not annoyed for us, it's annoying for the attacker. All right, as long as we do this stuff, the attacker will get more and more annoyed from the security. We do this, we do this security, the attacker will get more and more annoyed. So on this level, the attacker will feel a little more annoyed and frustrated. If you can detect the attack, the attacker would need to circle back at this detection level and change his attack tools and methodologies. This is very time consuming for the attacker, and probably he will need to spend more resources on adversary tools. Host artifacts are the traces or observable that the attacker leaves on the system. So basically, when attacker hacks something, he will leave some logs, he will leave some footprints. So we have to catch that footprint and attack patterns and everything. So files stored by malicious application or anything exclusive to threat, basically. So what is the suspicious IP of a victim? Try to connect to this server above, machine above, or server above. I think it's uh, wait, we have to give IP only. So 1 2, okay, let's view it. 35.214, 35.214, 35.214.215.34, I think. Okay, dot 33, it was 33. Okay. Use the tools introduced in task 2 and provide the name of malware associated with the IP values. Um, Conti, was it? Okay, not Conti, I think. Use the tools. Okay. We have to go to this. Okay. We use the tools introduced in task 2 and provide the name of malware associated with the IP address. So maybe this it's maybe in file. It may be in file. So use the tools introduce and provide the name of malware associated with the IP address. Wait, the IP address PowerShell. Wait, no, PowerShell. No. Wait. What was I thinking? Not the PowerShell. Jaki.exe. I think. uh, G underscore Jaki or Jaki.exe. Okay, how to do this? G underscore Gugk. G underscore Gugk. It's literally that. I know that. Because as you can see, this is the file that is winword, perhaps winword. Maybe let's try winword. Winword. Okay. Use the tools introduced in task and provide the name of malware associated. Okay. Damn it. No. Wait. No. I don't think we have to do something with the IP here. We have to with what was task 2? We have the task 2 at okay. Host artifacts really annoying. So okay, let's go to this IP. What does it say? Or we can wire do virus total on this. Let's do virus total. What do you say? Virustotal.com. Let's do some virus total stuff here. I'm just gonna put the URL here. There we go. Maybe no. I'm just gonna search with the IP. Okay, let's do this. Maybe it will give me something. So it was task 2 and it's Google. Wait, Google? Really? Okay, wait. Use it and provide the name of malware associated with the IP address. Wait, malware? Maybe Tinesport. Okay, they're saying Tinesport, so let's do this. Tinesport. Okay, not Tinesport. It has something. Let's do this. Rape. Ripe. No. It's not that. We have detection. On the detection, it's clean, and some are unrated. Okay, and then plus detect files. Um, okay, the emotet. Damn it, it's emotet basically. So using your OSINT skill, what is the name of malicious document associated with the dropped binary? Winword.exe, my best guess. Okay, we have to go to the report and we have to go to wait. We have to go to this report or this report. I'm not sure about that. Okay, as associated with the drop binary, name of the malicious document associated with the drop binary, and try Google using your sense skill. What is the name of malicious document associated with the dropped binary? Okay, I think there we will find them here, perhaps. Okay, there we find the dropped binary, suspicious, malicious, and there will be some dropped binary. Maybe Shadow copies. Okay, yeah, drop binaries, some malicious file. I think that's for the last answer. And I oh crap, sorry about that. Okay, I okay, that was really wrong. um what to do here? Okay, I think I've got it. Dropped binary drop objects. It was not malicious file.bin.exe. Nope. um, I'm not sure what we are doing here. Okay, yeah, using your ascent skill, what should I do? On what ascent should I do? I mean, on what stuff? I don't have any stuff here, so maybe it's PowerShell.exe or Jackkey.exe. G underscore Jackkey.exe. Yeah, using a recent skill and provide the name of malicious document associated with the dropped binary. Okay, malicious with the dropped binary. Let's try Google. Windward.exe. Windward.exe. Okay, let's do this. Windward.exe, the dropped binary. uh dropped wait dropped binary. I'm just analysis. Dropped binary is, yeah, I think we'll found that in this website, Joe Sandbox, sorry. Okay, classification, analytic device, the malware, Yara, and the drop binaries, command and control. Wow, that is literally late something. You should check that out. Really, initial sample, dropped files, no antivirus matches. Okay. Okay. So using a recent skill, provide the name or malicious document associated with the dropped binary. gjuck.exe. Wait. I think we'll get it. gjuck.exe. I think we'll get it. Dropped binary. If we can just search the malware by name, to be honest. Dropped binary. Yeah. There we go. We have here. Let's study its report, and there we go, we can get it in app.any.run. Okay, let's just go there. And application was dropped. We need to do here history keys. Emoted was detected. Rigid, nope. The binary was dropped. Drop executables. Malicious document associated with a malicious document. Wait. Malicious document is not Winward. Malicious document is not PowerShell, of course. Malicious document is Windward.exe. Malicious document. Malicious document. Digital. Okay, it has really weird something. Gjuck.exe. We have okay, wait, let's go back and let's go here, svc host. Nope. Gjuck.exe. PID application was dropped. No. um Wait, we need to search it. Malicious document associated with the drop binary. Malicious document. Malicious document. Okay. um it's windward.exe, but windward.exe, but we don't have the windward.exe option. So what to do? Okay, this is a hash, I think, whole hash. Okay, here we go. We need to read that a lot. Oh crap. Okay, unpacked, maybe recover.exe, domains. Then we have g underscore k.exe, malicious document. Yeah, there we go. I think we will find it. Automated malware analysis. I think. Okay. No. Dropped files, malicious file. Basically, what is the malicious file? Damn it. Okay, there it is in the end, but we can just wind word and do all this. Let's check. It's gjug.exe basically. I think we're going to get that multiple antivirus gjug.exe. Okay, we need to malicious document gjug.exe. Damn it, gjug.exe malicious document name. Uh, no, Trojan. No, it's not Trojan horse. Uh, let's see that. Let's see them report again. Malicious document. Okay. Damn it. I think this is it. This is it. Perhaps. I'm not sure about that either. But this gotta be it. Okay. Damn it. Let's go. Okay. Then we have network artifacts, which is really annoying. Network artifacts also belong to yellow zone in pyramid of pain. This means if you detect and respond to that threat, the attacker would need more time to go back. So the attacker was going in the web shell or putting some reconnaissance and everything. You just rejected it. So basically, a network artifact can be a user agent string, c2 information, or URI patterns followed by HTTP post request. An attacker might use an user agent string that hasn't been observed in environment before or seems out of ordinary. The user agent is defined by RFC 2616, and most of all, that field contains information about the user agent. Network artifact can be detected in Wireshark, CAPFile, or intrusion detection systems such as SNOC. So basically, in first we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 post requests basically, and then its analysis user Wireshark. Post requests are 6, but browser does the uses the user agent string shown in above. So I think it's a Microsoft Internet Explorer, because as you can see, MISC, it means Internet Explorer, Microsoft Internet Explorer basically. So there we go. Then we have tools, which is challenging. In tools at this stage, we have leveled up our detection capabilities using the against the artifacts. The attacker would likely to give up trying to break into your network or go try and create a new tool that serves the same purpose. It will be game over for the attacker, as they would need to invest more money or building a new tool basically. So this is tool challenging for him. So we have here, we have to provide, there we have the concept of fuzzy hashing. Fuzzy hashing is a strong weapon against the attacker tool. Fuzzy hashing helps you perform similarity analysis, match two files with the minor differences based on the fuzzy hashing values. One of the example of fuzzy hashing values is usage of ssdeep. Ssdeep is the official website. You can find the complete explanation. So ssdeep, I think, is a tool basically which gives you the whole provide the methods used for find similarity. Fuzzy hashing, so basically, as you can see, this is fuzzy hashing and provide the alternative term, which will be our uh, context trigger previous hashes, piecewise hashes basically. So find the similarities and be done with it. So there we go. And now we have TTPs. Now what is TTP? It's not over yet, but good news, we made it to our final stage, the apex of the pyramid of pain. The TTP stand for tactics, techniques, and procedures. This includes the whole MITRE attack matrix, which means all the steps taken by adversary to achieve these goals, starting from phishing attempts to persistence and data exfiltration. And if you can detect and respond to TTPs quickly, you leave the adversaries almost no chance to fight back. So basically it's the game over for the attackers. For example, if you could detect a pass the hash attack using the event log monitoring and remediate it, you would be able to find the compromised host very quickly and stop the lateral movement inside your network. So basically, if a hacker is trying to hack into your system and he doing the pass the hash attack, which you can literally read here, pass the hashtag, you can do event log monitoring or remediate it, or you can stop him from lateral movement, which is moving from another and everything. So now go to the MITRE attack matrix web page. Let's go to the MITRE attack matrix web page, and let's see what to find there. So it's saying how many techniques fall under the exfiltration category. So last time I checked it was 6. So okay, 9 maybe. Okay, so 9. Then we have Stimra is Chinese based hacking group that has been active since 2018. What is the name of commercial remote access tool they use for C2 beacons and data exfiltration? If you want to, you can just go ahead and read the reports, but it's Cobalt Strike. Cobalt Strike, they used Cobalt Strike tool. Then we have Practical or Pyramid of Pain. I will leave that up to you, but let me show you first how this is done. So there we go, we have the stages, we have the hash values. As it take the hacker the more time, it won't take a lot of time, so I think it will go for the not the IP address. So there we go, you have to like drag and drop this stuff. So then you can check for the answers, and if the answer is right, so then you can go it. I will leave that up to you according to our according to our progress in this room. So basically next we'll cover the most important models of cybersecurity, which is cyber kill chain and unified kill chain, and then we'll cover diamond model and MITRE attack model. So basically this don't miss this, and they're gonna be regular. This is premium stuff basically, so don't miss it, and take care.